Hello there, and welcome to Soul Raymond Ministries Homegrown Series, brought to you by the Household of Faith. Now, these are potatoes, a mixture of russet, white, maybe even some red. Honestly, I don't remember all of them, and they come from store-bought. All right, this is my third batch this season. Okay, and this is August of 2024. This is just a box. And we had a good rain the other night, unexpected good rain here in the DFW Metroplex. And so, one of the things, yes, about growing food in boxes is that they are going to break down with the weather, which is not bad because it'll simply become part of the environment. Okay. The next thing is that they can start to fall apart when they get too wet, but it's doable. Now, here, just like I said, this is the last one I'm going to do this season. Here is the one from earlier with red potatoes. The box started to fall apart, and I shored it up with these sticks and some other box piece to keep it together just until the end of the season. Now, in our homegrown series, and we do have a Facebook gardening group called EndTimes Urban Gardening uh, Tips and Advice, something like that. Okay, I got to get the exact name of it. But these came from store bought. I've had a harvest of them, and I'd like to get a second one from that box, and then get these by the end of the fall. All right. Most of the time, we buy potatoes, and I'm just buying for me. They go bad before I can eat them. Okay, sorry guys. I had to pause because the flies are biting me and I'm trying to stay out of the sun. But what I wanted to say is that you can grow your own potatoes from the ones in the store. It takes some finesse. Now, this batch has some russet potatoes. I pinched a couple of eyes off of my daughter's russet potatoes because I don't eat them. I pinched the eye only off just to see if it would grow. And here's the result of them. They're going to take a while. Now, as the plant gets taller, see, this is the damage the rain did. So as the plant gets taller, I need to continue to fill in the dirt. Really not good about that. But the more, and this is a small box, so I'm not expecting a big harvest. For the most part, I do this just to see if I can grow them. I don't spend a ton of money on potatoes, but I do like to have fresh potatoes. I love red and yellow and white. I do not eat russet. I have not eaten russet potatoes in 5 years. So this is what we're talking about. We're talking about growing what you can in the space that you have, okay? And don't overwhelm yourself. I tend to plant way more than I should, all right? So keep watching our channel. Subscribe, please. We'd appreciate that. It's not about how many people that subscribe to the channel. Let me just tell you this. It's about how many people are going to benefit from it. All right? So God bless you, and we'll see you next time.